Hi there and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to add expense transaction details in the PMS application. Let's dive in. First, log into your PMS dashboard. Now head over to the Finance section and then click on Expenses. On the next screen, you'll see the option to add transaction details. You can view expenses by selecting a date from the calendar. To add a new transaction, just click the Add Transaction button at the top right corner. In the pop-up window, fill in all the necessary expense details, like the expense source, vendor, amount, invoice number, payment mode, and reference number. You can also upload a receipt if you have one, then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense in the PMS. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. Don't forget to check the description below for more tutorials and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.